Good evening, everyone. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're all safe. It's going to be Diwali very soon. I request all of you to not burst crackers and cause a lot of pollution because we're already a polluted city and we don't need it anymore. Please allow me a couple of minutes to log in from the other profile as well. Some of them have got their exams cancelled, some of them had their exams and are done with them. So, how were your semesters? Just a second, there's some issue. Okay, guys, so we are doing this topic called reading works of art from Unit 3 because Unit 2 is done. And this topic speaks about art as a whole. Okay, and this lesson will especially cater to this person, this artist called Syed Haider Raza. Okay, so we will start with the lesson. I hope you can all see the screen. Okay. So Syed Haider Raza, popularly known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. The word renowned means famous, well known. You can write the meaning, everyone. The word renowned means famous, well known. So Syed Haider Raza was popularly known as Raza. He was a well known, popular, famous Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes, striking color combinations, captivating compositions. These are some of the characteristic features of his paintings, and so are the colors blue and orange. So, what are the characteristics of Raza's painting? This could be a question in the exam. So, your answer is going to be simple geometric shapes. You understand what are geometric shapes? Come on, tell me in the chat. What could geometric shapes be like? Yes, that could be a circle, a square, a rectangle, a triangle, a trapezium, okay, a rhombus, quadrilaterals, right? Parallelogram, kite, okay. And some students cannot understand that there is a profile that clearly says message here. They will still message on the other profile. The students who've learned English since they were kids for 12 years now, still they find it difficult to understand simple English where there is a profile clearly saying message here. They will still act like illiterates and message on the other profile. I don't understand that. And now, if you message on the other profile, I will take your name in front of everyone so that everyone knows who that illiterate person is. Shally. So, one, he would draw some geometric shapes, striking color combinations. That means attractive color combinations, as you can see in the painting, which is right in front of you. Okay, captivating compositions. Captivating is once again attractive, something that will hold your attention, something that will hold your attention, that is captivating. Captivating is something that will hold your attention. Captivating is something that holds attention. These are some of the characteristic features of his paintings, and so are the colors blue and orange. बराबर तो आप देख सकते हैं इसमें उन्होंने blue and orange color डाला हुआ है. Okay, even that is his characteristics of his painting. जय विनायक, आपका बार बार वीडियो ऑन हो रहा है बेटा. 2 बार हो चुका है, एक और बार होगा तो बेटा निकाल दूंगा लेक्चर से, because it's disturbing a lot of students. Okay. You will find them in almost all his paintings. What will you find in almost all his paintings? Yeah, guys, what will you find in almost all his paintings? Yes, color blue and orange is something that you will find in almost all his paintings, and also all the other characteristics that have been mentioned will be seen in all his paintings. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Are we clear till here? Okay, clear till here. All right. None of his paintings depict, guys, the meaning of the word depict is show. The meaning of the word show. Meaning of the word depict is to show. Okay. So none of his paintings will show lifelike human figures or copies of scenes from his environment. So he doesn't basically like to draw, humans or maybe sketch या portrait बनाना उनको वो इतना नहीं करते वो और वो सीनरीज में नहीं बनाते. His paintings belong to the abstract style of paintings. Abstract यानी कि जिसमें बोलते हैं ना आप कोई भी चीज को क्लियरली देख के समझ नहीं सकते. जैसे कि आपके सामने ये वाली जो पेंटिंग है. This painting doesn't have something that you can touch, as in the thing that are made inside. Of course, you can touch the painting, but the thing that you can touch inside, the things that are there inside, the main concept is not something that is abstract, that cannot be touched, that can only be felt. Okay, that is called abstract. Yes, it's kind of a design. Many people do abstract painting as well. Such paintings are not inspired by any external factor. ये ऐसे जो पेंटिंग्स होती हैं कोई भी दूसरे फैक्टर्स के साथ में ये नहीं इंस्पायर्ड होती हैं. दे ओरिजिनेट when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. तो ये जो होती है ना ये तब एक आर्टिस्ट को दिमाग में आती हैं जब वो अपने इनर माइंड में वो झांक कर देखता है. They are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in different compositions. So you can see all of those things over here in this painting as well. Right? तो इन सबको अलग अलग compositions में बनाकर using effective techniques of applying paint, some good, nice, perfect techniques of applying paint, attractive color combinations. This is simple to understand. Achieving balance in some place, balance as in balance in color, and creating imbalance in other places. कहीं कहीं पर थोड़ा imbalance हो वो भी थोड़ा अच्छा दिखता है. हर जगह पे balance दिखना ही जरूरी नहीं है. So it is a combination of every single thing. Okay. I hope the first paragraph is absolutely clear. This is Mr. Raza. So Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and its heritage. Do you know what is heritage? Do you know what is heritage? Yeah, heritage is something that we've received from our ancestors. तो उसमें मॉन्यूमेंट्स आते हैं, बिल्डिंग्स आते हैं, कल्चर आता है, ट्रेडिशन आता है. ठीक है, तो वो उन चीजों पे उनके बेस्ड होते हैं पेंटिंग्स. एंड कल्चरल कॉन्टेक्स्ट. कल्चरल कॉन्टेक्स्ट तो मतलब कल्चर बेसिकली एंड फिलोसफी. His pictures seem to radiate peace, radiate as in spread peace and life at the same time. तो उनकी जो पेंटिंग्स होती हैं बहुत ज्यादा बोलते हैं ना ब्यूटीफुल, पीसफुल और जिंदगी डिपिक्ट करती हैं सब एक साथ. We realize that the painting is a visible form of very deep thought. ये बात तो है. पेंटिंग जो होती है आपके दिल की जो डीपेस्ट थॉट्स होती है ना वो डिपिक्ट करती है. तो अगर आप एक बहुत ही अच्छे पेंटर हैं तो आप जो सोच रहे हैं जो आपके दिल में चल रहा है वो आपके पेंटिंग के थ्रू आपके ऑडियंसेस तक पहुंच जाता है. Very few abstract paintings communicate with the viewers as much as Raza's do. So there are very few abstract paintings that communicate with viewers. बहुत कम ऐसे आर्टिस्ट लोग हैं जिनके एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग्स जो हैं वो इतना ज्यादा कम्युनिकेट करती हैं व्यूअर्स के साथ जितना रजा जो है उनकी पेंटिंग्स करती हैं. Now we have a bit of an information about Raza. So Raza was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. He began to paint from the age of 12. So pretty early in his age, when we all also learn how to paint and create a lot of art in a school, तभी हम भी सीखे, वो भी तभी सीखे. He studied art at the Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur and then at the JJ School of Art in Mumbai. I am very sure that you must have heard about the JJ School of Arts. सुना है कि नहीं सुना है JJ School of Arts? ये जो CST जो स्टेशन है ना, CST का स्टेशन बराबर उसके सामने है. ठीक है. All right. चित्रकला महाविद्यालय, चित्रकला इज ड्राइंग महाविद्यालय कॉलेज. इस बारे में हम शायद ज्यादा नहीं जानते हैं क्योंकि हम मुंबई के, नागपुर के नहीं है. बट ऑफ कोर्स JJ School of Arts is famous at the international level as well for arts. Later, he went to France to study art. After a few years, he decided to settle in France. His wife was French. He won many national and international awards. He was honored with all the three Padma awards. They are Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan. Even Amitabh Bachchan is one of those rare people who's been awarded with all three Padmas or Padma awards. Okay. With all the awards and honors, his paintings were exploring a spiritual, metaphysical path. Now, what is a spiritual path? Please answer to me in the chat. What is a spiritual path? Okay, you can write the meaning. Spiritual is something which is sacred, divine, which is about your inner feelings. उसको spiritual बोलते हैं. Right? And anyone who knows the meaning of the word metaphysical? Metaphysical means abstract. Metaphysical means abstract. Metaphysical means abstract. ठीक है, तो वहां पर जाके ये सब सीखे. Gradually, the bindu or point came to be the core of his paintings. Can you see this, everyone? This part. So धीरे धीरे उन्होंने ये जो बिंदु या जो पॉइंट होता है अपने आर्ट का कोर एज इन द मेन थिंग. जस्ट अ सेकंड. All right. Core as in the main thing. Okay. The center. He described his work in these words. My work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space, and light. So he says, my work is my own inner experience. मेरा खुद का inner experience है. और मेरा जो involvement है with the mysteries as in the secrets of nature and form, which is expressed. Nature का जो form है, जिसको मैं express करता हूँ color में, line में, space में और light में. इस तरह से उन्होंने अपने ही art को define किया. You can see this beautiful painting right there on the screen. Sometimes an artist's thoughts appear to be too coupled, too complex, or even complicated when they are expressed through words. आर्टिस्ट का जो है हम लोग यूजुअली प्रेफर करते हैं कि यार बोलकर हम कन्वे कर दें जो हम करना चाहते हैं, तो वो आसान तरीका होता है. बट आर्टिस्ट जो होते हैं ना, उनका तरीका अलग होता है. उनका ऐसा होता है कि अगर वो बोलेंगे तो वो और कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते हैं चीज़ों, और अगर वो नहीं बोलेंगे और आर्ट के थ्रू प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो ज़्यादा आसान होता है उनके लिए. फॉर हिम द इफेक्टिव मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज हिज वर्क. इनके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट तरीका कम्युनिकेशन का उनका काम है, दैट इज पेंटिंग्स. Raza had great creativity. His paintings are very expressive. The great artist passed away on 23rd of July 2016 at the age of 94, leaving behind a legacy of sensitive paintings achieved through extraordinary components of lines and colors that show extraordinary compositions. So ये जो रजा जो थे वो 23 जुलाई 2016 यानी 4 साल पहले इनकी डेथ हुई and he was aged 94 when he died. So 94 I think is a tremendous number, tremendous amount of life that he lived. Okay, so that was about his life. So guys, the first part of the lesson, which was about Mr. Raza, Syed Haider Raza, is done. We'll now move on to just a second. Yeah, we'll now move on to the other part. Right. By the way, before that, any doubts in the first part? Anyone? No doubts. Okay. Chale guys, we'll go with the Gondat now. So what is a Gondat? Okay, so I have a message on the other profile. बेटा हर्षित क्लियरली मैंने बोला है मैसेज हियर लेकिन आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही इंग्लिश सिंपल वाली है कि बेटा बोलिए क्या पूछना आपको हर्षित वेयर डिड यू फाइंड दिस वर्ड हर्षित कहाँ मिला आपको ये वर्ड हर्षित इज दिस वर्ड Radrigo in the lesson that you are learning? Let me tell you, Harshit, there is no such word called Radrigo. Okay, so I think you got some mistake. Yeah. Roshan, inhabitants are the people who live in a particular. For example, you are an inhabitant of Mumbai. See, legacy is usually about the work that you've left behind after you die. Okay, जैसे कि once Sachin Tendulkar dies, he'll leave the legacy in cricket. Abstract means something that you can feel but not touch. Abstract is something that you can feel but you cannot touch. Okay, guys, I think we should now start with part 2. Soham, if you feel my answer is wrong, then why do you ask me, beta? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट का मतलब इमेजिनरी होता है, तो इमेजिनरी चीजों को आप टच कर सकते हो क्या? Yeah, Soham, can you touch imaginary things? No, right? You can only feel them. So if you know the meaning better, then don't ask. If you just want to show that you know things, then this is not the right platform to do that. Tradition is different, Roshan. ट्रेडिशन आपके रीति रिवाज होते हैं, आपके रिलीजन के रीति रिवाज होते हैं. माइथोलॉजिकल इज स्टोरीज विच people believe are true but there is no proof. That's called mythological. Anyway, please Roshan, do not take me into unwanted things. I got to finish this topic. Thank you. Gond art is a tribal art. Tribal art is जो पहले के जो आदिवासी होते थे वही आर्ट करते थे. It has been developed and preserved, that is saved, by the Gond tribal people residing largely in the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha states of India. तो ये जो आर्ट का जो फॉर्म है वो आज तक सेव करके रखा हुआ है. किसने सेव किया है? तो कुछ गोंद के जो ट्राइबल पीपल है गोंद के, उन्होंने किया हुआ है. और ये जो गोंद के जो लोग हैं वो रहते हैं कुछ स्टेट्स में, जैसे कि मध्य प्रदेश, हमारा महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश एंड ओडिशा. फ्रॉम देयर ट्रेडिशनल टेल्स एंड माइथोलॉजी. ट्रेडिशनल टेल्स से यानी कि उनके जो रिलीजन है, वो जो ट्राइबल्स हैं उनकी जो रिलीजन है उसकी स्टोरीज, और माइथोलॉजी वो चीजें जो मैंने अभी जस्ट बताया. माइथोलॉजी या स्टोरीज दैट पीपल बिलीव टू बी ट्रू बट देयर इज नो प्रूफ ऑफ इट. बराबर. And we learn that they have lived in India for thousands of years, even before the other inhabitants came here. तो वो लोग जो हैं, गोंद की जो ट्राइब है हमारे देश में हजारों सालों से रह रही है. बाद में जितने भी लोग आए, आर्यंस आए, द्रविडियंस आए, मुगल्स आए, बहुत लोग आए, इन सब के आने के 1000 साल पहले से वो यहाँ रह रहे थे. Inhabitants as in residents. The Gondi language is similar to Telugu in Dravid Telugu, which is a Dravidian language. So Telugu जो है is the language, a language spoken in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and similar है उनसे इनकी language, Gondi language. Gond art has spread mainly in central India, that is Madhya Pradesh. Originally, people used to draw paint pictures on the earthen walls of their houses. तो जो क्ले की जो वॉल्स होती थी ना उनके घर पे, उस पे ये लोग ड्राइंग्स बनाते थे. Most folk arts as in traditional arts, involve natural techniques of preparing colors and use of several mediums. आजकल के लोग उसमें केमिकल्स डालते हैं, पर ये लोग नेचुरल तरीके से कलर्स बनाते थे. They are transferred from generation to generation in a smoothly flowing process. तो जितने भी प्रीवियस जनरेशन वाले होते हैं वो अपने नए जनरेशन वालों को ये चीजें सिखा के जाते हैं. गोंद आर्ट इज नो एक्सेप्शन टू दिस. तो गोंद आर्ट भी ऐसा ही है. A house decorated with beautiful pictures creates a pleasant atmosphere. तो जितना आप घर को ब्यूटीफुली बनाते हैं, अंदर अच्छे अच्छे पिक्चर्स डालते हैं, तो उतना ज्यादा पॉजिटिविटी होती है घर में. ऑल्सो आर्ट इज अ मीडियम ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग एंड प्रिजर्विंग व्हाट इज सीन. आर्ट एक वो तरीका है जिससे आप हिस्ट्री को प्रिजर्व कर सकते हो और रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो. जैसे कि whenever you go to some caves, maybe in Ajanta and Ellora और मे बी एलिफेंटा केव्स, तो वहां पर आप गए रहेंगे तो आपने देखा रहेगा कि बहुत सारे पेंटिंग्स होती हैं केव्स में. सो ये पेंटिंग्स मतलब आपको बताती हैं कि कुछ जमाने पहले, काफी सालों पहले, हाउ वर द पीपल, हाउ वुड दे कम्युनिकेट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पेंटिंग्स would they create. So that is how paintings and art, they help us record and preserve what we've seen. Just like a picture, let's take a picture, they also help do the same. In folk arts, you yourself prepare the canvas. So what is the canvas? It's the surface on which you draw. एक white कलर का ऐसा रहता है, बोर्ड रहता है बहुत बड़ा, इस पर ड्रॉ करो, तो कैनवस बोलते हैं. So the surface on which to draw and the colors with which you draw. That is why creating folk art is a very enriching experience. Enriching as in very beautiful experience. The richness is reflected in the choice of their medium. In the days of past, several things in nature, such as soils of different shades, the juice of plants, leaves, tree bark, flowers, fruits, and even things like coal and cow dung, were used to prepare colors. This is a very important part, guys. ये जो part है यहाँ पर बहुत ही important है. You can mark this if you want. The different colors, various textures, and patterns were used year after year, lending, that is giving a simplicity to the art. Lending is giving simplicity to the art. When we see these pictures, we realize that a picture drawn this way or the other can look equally beautiful. What a deep thought this art conveys, and so easily. So ये जो आर्ट है बहुत ही डीप थॉट्स बताता है और बहुत इजीली कन्वे करता है. In the Gond style of art, we see that the outlines may vary as it may differ a little from artist to artist, but the designs that fill it make the whole picture look lively and attractive. तो हर एक आर्टिस्ट पे डिपेंड करता है कि उनका जो आउटलाइन रहता है वो डिफर करता है, पर जो डिजाइन होती है वो इतनी ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल और लाइवली होती है कि वो बहुत लाइवली और अट्रैक्टिव दिखती है. The designs include simple textures achieved using dots, straight lines, dotted lines, curvy shapes, and circles. Special attention is given to the choice of various colors so that the total effect is amazing and beautiful. You can see the one which is right there in front of your screen, in front on your screen. In today's age of commercialization, that is business, आजकल लोग पेंट करके बेचते हैं. Many men have taken up गोंद आर्ट. बहुत लोगों ने गोंद आर्ट लिया हुआ है. But the roots of folk arts probably lie in women's daily chores like like cleaning and decorating the house, dealing with natural colors in the course of cooking and in the leisure time activity. Leisure as in relaxed time. तो लोग तो आज इसको बेचने के लिए बनाते हैं, बट एक्चुअली गोंद आर्ट बनाती थी गोंद ट्राइब की औरतें, जो जिनके लिए पेंटिंग करना एक अलग एक हॉबी या कुछ नहीं था. जैसे हमारे मदर्स जो होती हैं घर का कैसे ख्याल रखती हैं, तो घर में मतलब कौन सी पेंट लगेगी, कौन सा फ्रेम किधर जाएगा, कौन सी चीज कहाँ पड़ी होगी, ये भी आर्ट का ही फॉर्म है, राइट. तो उसी तरह से जो जो औरतें थी, जो विमेन फ्रॉम द गोंड ट्राइब, वो भी इसको एक डेली चोर की तरह ही काम करती थी. ओके, सो दैट वाज द लेसन. एनी डाउट्स इन दिस पार्ट गाइस? Okay, let us solve some activities. So guys, here are some errors in the words. I want you to give me the right words. Yes, Arman. Commercialization is business. Inhabitants is residents. चलेगा. सबसे पहले वाले का right spelling क्या है? Just give me one letter which you think should be added instead of the wrong one. Wrong letter लिखिए, जैसे कि पहले वाले में U is the wrong letter and W is the right letter. तो चलो ठीक है, पूरा का पूरा वर्ड ले दे, कोई बात नहीं. फीचर्स में FEA आना चाहिए, ट्राइबल में BAL आना चाहिए, सर्कल्स में CIRCLES आना चाहिए, ज्योमेट्रिक में GEOMETRIC आना चाहिए. रोशन तुम घाट कवर वीडियो ऑन था बेटा आपका. Figures का आना चाहिए FIGURES. Mythology should be MYTHOLOGY. Achieving should be IE instead of EI. Painting has to be PAINTING. Inner has to be INNER. Earthen has to be EARTHEN. Different has to be DIFFERENT. Village has to be VILLAGE. Medium has to be MEDIUM. And decided has to be DECIDED. चलिए कंप्लीट दिस पार्ट एवरीवन. चलो जल्दी जल्दी मुझे बताओ सिंपल के साथ में क्या आएगा. सिंपल के साथ क्या आएगा. सिंपल ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स. गुड. स्ट्राइकिंग का क्या आएगा. स्ट्राइकिंग का स्ट्राइकिंग का क्या आएगा बताओ. striking color combinations. What about captivating? Compositions. Captivating compositions. And what about colors? Blue and orange. Activity number 4 is going to be your homework, everyone. Activity number 4. Activity number 7. Activity number 4 and activity 7 is going to be your homework. Activity 4 and activity 7 is going to be your homework. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, guys. Do it wherever you want, Baba. Chalo, thank you so much, everyone. Take care. See you the next time. Bye.